guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Goblin Boohoo emote if you cannot see it in your shop in Clash Royale. And let's get straight into the video. So if for some reason you cannot see the Goblin crying emote or whatever Boohoo emote, all you have to do is make your way over to settings. So you guys will see the 3 horizontal dots. It should be right under your gems. Anyways, click on it. It will take you to settings. It should be settings is right above Supercell ID and below tournaments. Anyways, click on that. From settings, you'll be at the settings page, and then from here you want to basically go ahead and select more settings. Once you click on more settings, you want to go ahead and turn on personalized offers, because if for some reason it's off, then it will not allow you to purchase the it's not going to basically allow you to purchase the emote, and what you want to do is once you basically turn that setting on, go over to settings, go over to more settings, and then turn on personalized offers. And then what you want to do is you want to just refresh the app. Once the app is open again, it will fix the issue. And now a lot of people also have this issue where they don't even see the option more personalized offers, or they just don't see the personalized offers settings. So basically what you want to do is you want to go ahead and contact Supercell and then ask them, you want to email them or whatever the contact option is. I believe it is email, and then they will get back to you, and then you could just email them that you don't see the emote and you want to turn it on, etc. You want to turn the personalized offer setting on, and then you can go ahead and go from there. And then if they get back to you, or when they get back to you, you should see the emote if you refresh the app. So yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to do this. You guys do have a whole month because it does end in 32 days and 7 hours, so you have some time. But other than that, yeah, that is basically it. That is how to get the Goblin Boohoo emote. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.